Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to buy BNB on Moonpay. So here's a simple workaround and a simple step-by-step guide on how you can easily buy BNB on Moonpay. So the first thing to do is to open the Moonpay app or visit the Moonpay website, which is moonpay.com, and tap the crypto tab in the search bar. Then type in the BNB and select it. Enter the amount of BNB or your local currency you want to spend. Then paste your BNB wallet address from the Trust Wallet, Binance, or another BNB compatible wallet, which is Bybit. You can also choose the payment method, which is credit, debit card, Apple Pay, or bank transfer. Complete the identity verification if it's your first purchase. Review all details carefully, then tap buy now. Then wait for Moonpay to process the payment. Then your BNB will be sent to your wallet automatically. And here's a safety reminder: always double check your BNB wallet address and ensure you are using the official Moonpay app or website before confirming the transaction. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more guide.